Good morning. What the? See this? People into selfie sticks, taking selfies all the time. Trying to get to a place called Lazy Beach. And it is on the other side of the island. Supposedly it's very nice. So we shall see. But we are joined by a guest from last night. I don't know what his or her name is, but we got a four-legged guest joining us. Maybe he or she will lead the way, actually. They do need to do something about this situation with the litter and not the pollution, but I guess pollution here in the water stream. Okay, bathroom break. What the? Is she a dog or a cat? What are you doing? They're coming back here?
Are you on top of the water now?
Heard there's snakes and monkeys here, so just watch out.
Come. Get away.
Please do not feed the monkeys. So there are monkeys here then. Okay, I'm coming. Starting to hear lots of monkeys. I see monkeys. There's one right there. And there's another one somewhere over there trying to communicate. Pretty loud. Alright, I think we're done with the jungle part. There's still more monkeys. Can hear them. But hopefully the beach is right up there. Made it. I think it's going back out because it's done his job. He's like, hey, I took you guys here. I'm gonna go home now.
Wanna take me home? Come.
Yeah. It's okay, we know our way home. Yeah, I think he's gone there now. Made it. There's nobody here.
mouth, please.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
that? Oh,
Come
no,
on.
No.
It doesn't
no,
matter
no,
what.
No. How many?
It doesn't matter what. Just open your mouth. Yeah, baby. Lovely.
What is that?
Whatever.
Jesus Christ, okay?